Hello, my name is Chris Lane. I am the founder of Financial Judgment Recovery here in Southern California. I've noticed a lot of those that have been ordered a court monetary judgment have a difficult time collecting on them. Most are not even sure where to start with the process, so what I wanted to do is take the time out and create a series of videos that will be able to assist you with that process and hopefully be able to get back some of the funds that are rightfully owed to you. Now, if you want a court monetary judgment, then the court has ordered them to pay you. The downfall, though, the court will not do this process for you. It is up to you to enforce your judgment. A judgment is not collectible until after the time has expired for the debtor to appeal the ruling. Generally, it's about 30 days, but it does vary from state to state, county to county even. I've also noticed that some people are unaware that your judgment could expire. Most judgments are valid for 10 years. Once again, check with your local county clerk that you've won the judgment in to get the exact number of how long you have to A, enforce the judgment, and B, to find out when it expires so you can renew the judgment. Okay? So, the first method I want to discuss with you and introduce is contacting the debtor yourself. What I would recommend is that you write them a letter and try to convince them to pay you. You want to make sure you give them a return address to send the payment in and the different types of payment methods you will accept. So if you accept credit cards, money orders, cashier's checks, whatever it is, let them know. The more avenues you give them to pay, the more likely they're going to satisfy that judgment with you. Now, if they choose to pay it all in one lump sum, tell them you'll waive the interest. If you were awarded a judgment and there's interest occurring, tell them you'll waive the interest. If you want to set up payment plans with them, include those terms with the letter and make it feasible for you. Don't accept a $10 payment plan for the next 8 years. It's just not right. So make sure you do something that would be applicable. If they want to lower the payments down or you want to work with them, that's solely up to you. But make sure you always keep everything in writing so that way you will always have a record of all correspondence with them. And once again, like I said, if they want to pay for it in full, tell them to waive the interest. Now, once you have collected all the funds, there's a very important step that you have to do. You have to file an acknowledgement of satisfaction of judgment with the court the judgment was awarded in. In most states, you can access this form online, or you can just go down to your local county clerk's office you won the judgment in and get it. Or just give them a call and maybe they can mail one out to you. But I highly stress that once it has been satisfied and they have paid, make sure you file the acknowledgement of satisfaction of judgment. Make sure you mail a copy to the debtor. Make sure you file a copy with the court and keep a copy for yourself for your own records. If you actually fail to file the acknowledgement of satisfaction of judgment, the debtor could then hold you liable for any damages that may occur. So, to end the video today with you, I just strongly encourage, if you're going to send them a letter, make sure you put all the terms in there. A, if they want to pay for it in full, you waive the interest. B, if you elect to take payments, this is how you would like to take the payments. C, make sure you give them all the payment methods that you do accept. I hope you like this video. I have more to come in the following weeks. Stay tuned. If you have a court judgment and you don't want to go through the hassle of trying to track them down, find them, and all that, please feel free to contact us for a free consultation. Our website is www.fjrecovery.com. Our telephone number is 855-357-5050. Once again, my name is Chris Lane, and I am the founder of Financial Judgment Recovery, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day.